Welcome back to Park Party. Our park today is Farragut Park in Portland, Oregon. Here's a little map of the layout. Got a baseball field, and I really liked the tree lining of this path. Those branches just stick way out over. There's the bathroom facilities. They're pretty clean when I went inside. There's a splash pad. I couldn't figure out how to turn the splash on. I don't know if it had special hours. Basketball court, I think, is under renovation. Couldn't get in through the fence, and that hoop doesn't even have a hoop. It's a sad sight. I really liked this tree. Branched out in a nice way, and it was a nice little place to sit. You got a baseball field with a pretty big sized bleacher. Got a wall ball area and a couple of basketball courts with hoops. Pretty standard type playground with a few slides and monkey bars and the spiral corkscrew. There it is from the other side, a little bridge run across. And that's our park. Oh yeah, can't forget the swings.